In this video, I'll show you how to fix Peacock app not opening. Step 1. Restart the Peacock app. Close the Peacock app completely. On mobile, swipe it away or force stop. On smart TVs, exit and relaunch the app. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection. Test other apps or websites to verify your connectivity. Step 3. Restart your device. Power off your device fully. Then wait 20 seconds and then power it back on to clear temporary glitches. Step 4. Clear cache and data if applicable. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps, then Peacock TV and Storage. Then clear cache and data. Note, clearing data logs you out, so you will have to log in again. Step 5. Reinstall the Peacock app. Uninstall the Peacock app from your device, then download and install the latest version from the official App Store. Step 6. You can check for Peacock service outages. Visit the Peacock status page or Down Detector website to see if there are ongoing service issues. Now, step 7. Try another device. You can test Peacock on a different device to determine if the problem is specific to your device. Now I have some additional tips. Keep your device software and Peacock app updated to the latest versions. And if the problems persist, you can contact Peacock customer support for further assistance. And that's how you troubleshoot Peacock app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, subscribe.